Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the TesserX organizing team, I'd like to warmly welcome you all to this important session as we officially begin the prototype submission round. Congratulations once again on making it this far. Today's session is designed to guide you through the next phase of the competition, and we are very grateful to have two of our members from the Old Royalist Engineering Professionals Association joining us this evening. Liviru Veerasinghe will walk you through the prototype development process, and Kavin Sirivardhanaya will explain how mentorship will be allocated to each team. Thank you once again for being here. We hope this session helps you take your ideas to the next level. Let's get started. Over to you, Libiruai.
Thanks, Ritna. I'll go first. A very warm welcome to everybody who is here. Well, technically, we have two parties today. Actually, it's not just two parties. We have three parties, including the organizing committee. But if you put the organizing committee aside, we're left up with two parties, and those two parties are the mentors and the mentees. The mentees, actually, are the semi-finalists of TesserX that are level up. So congratulations on that. And then we have the mentors. We are very thankful for you for accepting the invitation to join TesserX as mentors. We'll walk you through what we'll be doing in this session and how you will be allocated with the teams, how the mentees will be getting the mentors, and how we will have to move forward, how we all can get to know each other, and how we all can coordinate and get things done during this phase. All right. Let me share my screen first. Okay. Can you all see my screen and hear me properly? Can I get a confirmation? Ritna, am I audible?
Yes, I we can hear
you. You can see my screen as well.
Yes, I.
All right, cool. Okay, so we are officially kickstarting the prototype phase of TesserX. I'll tell you a bit about TesserX for the benefit of the mentors. Of course, the mentees, aka the semi-finalists, will be having a very solid idea about what TesserX is and how things have been so far. But for the benefit of the mentors, I will tell you a bit about TesserX. This is organized as a joint venture between OREPA, or the Old Royalist Engineering Professionals Association, and RCCS, Old Royal College Computer Society. Well, TesserX is actually an idea. Then we initiated TesserX with a prototype, with a proposal submission stage, and after that we are moving to the prototype submission stage, which we are kickstarting today. All right. So yeah, TesserX is an initiative organized by OREPA and RCCS. For the benefit of the competitors, for the benefit of the delegates who are here, I'll tell you a bit about OREPA and RCCS. Well, OREPA consists mainly of two chapters, and one is the student chapter and the other is the main body. The student chapter consists of the undergraduate community of OREPA, and the main body are the ones who are in the industry. All right, so OREPA actually works on a lot of projects. It has different pillars, including public relations, events, information management and marketing. And then we have another pillar called school projects, research and development. There are many pillars like that. So we are working on different projects throughout the year. Some projects are projects like this. We're working on projects like the hackathon, and then we do workshops. Yeah, we technically do a lot of them. And another party of TesserX is RCCS, the Royal College Computer Society. You all would have heard of this. I mean, I don't have to explain a lot about RCCS, even for the delegates, because you have been working with RCCS over the last couple of months or so. And yeah, obviously, RCCS is one of the premier student-led ICT societies in Sri Lanka, operating under Royal College Colombo, and dedicated to fostering technological innovation and digital literacy. RCCS empowers students through workshops, coding competitions, and flagship events. The society serves as a vibrant platform for aspiring tech enthusiasts to explore fields such as programming, robotics, AI, and cybersecurity, while nurturing leadership and teamwork. Okay. So I'll tell you a bit more about TesserX. This is not merely a competition. It is not merely an idea. Then it is a lot more than that. The significance of TesserX is that it is open to all schools children across the entire island. And the geographical distribution of the semi-finalists bears testimony to that, because we have semi-finalists from all around the country, not just from the Colombo district. So that tells us that TesserX has been able to reach out to all parts of the island, and we have been able to get delegates, and they have progressed to the semi-finalists as well, representing the entire country. And yeah, throughout the event, yeah, the delegates got to take part in informative workshops, and starting from today, they will get mentoring for their ideas. And yeah, the competition consists of the proposal submission stage, the prototype development stage, and pitching. And of course, the delegate can develop a wide array of skills by taking part in TesserX. The objectives of TesserX are to bring technology to every corner of the country, which we have done, encourage creative problem solving, enhance technical and soft skills, bridge schools and industry, promote entrepreneurship and innovation, develop future leaders in technology, and create a community of innovators. This is basically the competition structure. We started off with the workshop series, and we have done workshops on technical knowledge, entrepreneurship, and business development. And then we moved on to the proposal submission stage, which we have completed, and the proposals that you all submitted were evaluated by a panel of experts, and we have announced the shortlisted teams, and obviously you are the shortlisted teams. And today you will be allocated with mentors, and well, actually you will be getting 2 technical mentors and a domain expert. And then we are moving to the prototype development phase. You will simultaneously be kickstarting the prototype development stage as well, after which semifinals will take place. And we will explain all about what you have to do during this phase, but basically we'll have to submit a video which explains the prototype that you have been working on. And in the finals, there will be a live pitch and a showcase of the developed prototypes. Oh yes, and the winning teams are awarded and are connected with industry professionals. Okay, this is how mentorship allocation will take place. All right, so you will be getting technical mentors alongside domain-specific mentors. The role of the technical mentors would be, so in this meeting we are having both mentors and mentees. The role of the technical mentors would be to provide technical guidance on product development, coding, engineering design, and troubleshooting, basically everything related to technology. All right, and the support the mentees can expect from the mentors would be to assist them with technical feasibility, and in terms of solving engineering challenges, and in terms of helping out the teams to ensure that their solution is scalable and practical. Oh yeah. And the teams will also be getting domain-specific mentors. The role of the domain-specific mentors would be to provide industry-specific knowledge and insights into real-world applicability, market needs, and business feasibility. And this would be the type of support that you can expect. It is to help teams align their solution with industry standards, customer expectations, and commercial viability. Right. Well, in the meantime, if you have any questions, you can raise them in the chat box. Okay. After mentorship allocation, which means after tonight, after this session, you will be added to WhatsApp groups in which both mentors and mentees will be participants. So RCCS will create WhatsApp groups, including both mentors and mentees, in a way that one team will be getting 2 mentors and one mentor will be getting 3 teams to mentor, right? So if we consider the numbers, we have 15 teams altogether who are shortlisted for the semifinals, and in total we have 10 mentors. So if one mentor gets 3 teams to mentor, that also means that one team will be getting 2 mentors for that team. And that's exactly what's going to happen. After tonight's session, you'll be added to those respective WhatsApp groups, and the RCCS member, who will also be part of the group, will initiate the first meeting between the mentors and the mentees. Afterwards, the mentees can reach out to the mentors whenever necessary and raise all the concerns that you have and clarify any kind of doubt that you have related to the product that you are developing. Okay. So yes, the organizing committee will formally introduce mentors to their respective teams. In other words, the WhatsApp groups will be created. Oh yeah, a WhatsApp group will be created, including team members, mentees, mentors, and an RCCS representative. Yeah, it is preferred to carry out all official communications through this WhatsApp group. And in the case of any concerns or communication issues, you can reach out to the RCCS representative of each group. And yeah, these are the roles and responsibilities of the mentees. You got to collaborate with your mentors. You have to actively engage with all the mentors that you are allocated with to seek guidance, clarify doubts, and implement suggestions to improve the prototype. And you got to meet deadlines. Ensure that weekly feedback is submitted. Oh yeah, there is a feedback collection procedure which we will explain you in a bit. And what happens technically is that both mentors and mentees will have to submit their feedback about the mentors and mentees, right? So you have to submit that in time. And oh yeah, you have to make sure that progress is made according to the agreed timelines. The mentors will be providing you with constructive criticism and constructive feedback. I hope that the mentees understand what constructive feedback and constructive criticism mean. All right, so use that to improve both the technical aspects and business viability of the project that you are working on. And communicate effectively. Be proactive in reaching out to mentors and RCCS team members for help, ideas, or to share progress updates. And ideally, there would be weekly meetings or perhaps a meeting for a couple of days. That's actually based on your preference. So you got to come prepared with questions, progress updates, and any challenges you're facing to make the most out of the meetings that are arranged with your mentors. All right. Oh yeah, this is what I told you about weekly feedback collection. To ensure consistent progress, we will collect weekly feedback from both mentors and mentees. And this is how the mentor feedback would look like. The mentors will provide insights on the team's technical progress, the quality of the prototype, and their overall approach to problem solving. And this feedback will help mentors identify strengths, weaknesses, and any potential obstacles to success. And in terms of the mentee feedback, teams will provide feedback on the mentorship process, including the usefulness of the guidance received, challenges faced, and additional support needed. This will help improve the mentoring experience and ensure that teams get the maximum benefit from the program. And feedback will be submitted through the TesserX portal each week. Both mentors and mentees must ensure timely and comprehensive submissions to facilitate effective mentorship, obviously. Okay, so yeah, Liberu can take over now.
Thank you, Kavin. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay, so yeah, in the prototype phase, so what we are expecting is after the developing this prototype, you will go to the semi-final phase, which will held in about 3 to 4 weeks. So what we expect you to do is you have already submitted the prototype, so your the proposal. So your prototype should be based on the proposal you have submitted. So you can't make any amendments. You can talk if it is a small change, but you can't change the overall idea of your project. So that's the main thing we have to convey to you. And also what you are submitting should be a 70% completed version of the expected final prototype. And the submission is, we are expecting a video-based submission, which is about a 4 to 6 minute video demonstration. So as of now, the deadline is at 17th August midnight. So you have to prepare your video before that time and submit. Okay, can you move to the next page? Okay, so talking about the video, so first it should have a problem statement. So as you have included in the proposal, so you should convey what is the problem in a short format. So as you may understand that as this is 4 to 6 minutes, so you don't have much time to convey what the problem and the proposed solution is. So it should be around 1 to 2 minutes, because your core objective of the video is to convey us what you have developed, right? So what we are going to give marks is depending on what you have developed. So focus more on that part. So after the problem statement and proposed solution, so you can walk through the current prototype. So if it's a software based